Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did these invisible locks. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get right into the video. So I'm just showing you some of the products I used and how I started off the first row. If you are a visual learner, this is going to be perfect for you, but I'm going to try to explain everything I did to the best of my ability. So after taking out your first section, you're going to divide that into two and comb out the hair very well with gel. Like, make sure you're getting the hair thoroughly so that when you're flat twisting, the comb doesn't get caught through the hair. So as you can see, I'm combing first and then flat twisting. Then I'm going to take a little piece of the spring twist hair and crochet it through the twist, the flat twist, as you can see. Just take a little piece and crochet it through and twist again till the hair and the spring twist hair blends together seamlessly. It's pretty much a visual thing. You can kind of see what I'm doing if you don't understand me explaining it to you. So yeah, just start twisting all the way down to your desired length. If you want to do bob, you know where to stop. If you're doing it longer, you just keep going. And as you're twisting, you can comb through and add more hair to make it fuller, thicker, whatever size you want. So just keep adding hair. I'm kind of just feeling it through. I don't have a certain amount of hair I add. I just look at it and know where to add and know where not to add hair at. Okay, so to secure the ends, we're going to use the barrel twist method. I said barrel twist, barrel knot method. So you're going to bend the twist going upwards and then pinch it in place and wrap it right back down, just like how I did, and then use rubber bands to secure it in place.
believe before the morning comes, even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it a reason why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. We both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong. No one knows but us. The feelings rush.
And this is just halfway done, and it looks so good. So right here, just watch and see. We tried something new, so just watch and see how we did that. We did some crisscross rubber bands in the front. I like to put oil on the rubber band so that it doesn't break off my client's hair, because you know that's a lot of friction. I'm not going to lie, I should have did square parts, but I went ahead with the rectangular shape only because it helps put the rubber bands a little further away from her edges. I didn't want no tension and, you know, pulling. So that's why I did that. But when you do yours at home or for your client, you can definitely make them more squared, and, you know, you can have fuller parts. I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section below and I will answer all of them. But this is pretty much self-explanatory. I hope you try this style on yourself, on your friends, on your mama, on your auntie, cousin, friend, bestie. And send me a video when you do it, when you try this out. Let me know how it goes.